kids! Today we are learning the table of 7, so get ready to learn with me. It's going to be so much fun for everyone. 7 ones a 7, 7 twos a 14, 7 threes a 21, 7 fours a 28, 7 fives a 35, 7 sixes a 42, 7 sevens a 49, 7 eights a 56, 7 nines a 63, 7 tens a 70. Good job, kids! Now let's repeat it once again. 7 1